There's an easy way to keep an app installed but hide it from your home screen and app drawer. Let's say I want to hide this app here. I'll go to my settings, and from the sidebar on the left we'll find Home Screen. Once I'm in the home screen settings, I'll scroll down a bit until I see a section called Hide Apps on Home and Apps Screen. That's where we can hide apps. I'll go here and choose any apps I want to hide and then tap Done. Now, when I go back, that app is nowhere to be seen, even though it's still installed on my tablet. And the next question is, how do you open the app if it's hidden? Well, there's a couple of ways to do that. The quick way would be to use the search bar in your app drawer, but you'll quickly notice that when the app is hidden, it won't show up in search results. You can fix this by tapping the three dots, going to the settings, and enabling the option to show hidden apps in search. After this, I can search for the app and it shows up in my search results and I can launch it from there. If you don't want to include hidden apps in your search results, there's another way to launch them. Go to Settings and scroll down to Apps. Hidden apps will still show up here in the Apps menu, so I can pick the app that's hidden, and then use the buttons on the bottom of my screen to open the app. If you want to take things a step further and hide apps in a way that they're impossible to find without a passcode, you can move them into a hidden and locked folder. I have another video for that, and I'll link it in the description if you want to learn more about that. That's all. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.